These are the most underrated songs that nobody's even thought about playing on ukulele. Or have they? Huh? Oh. I look at you and said, oh, oh, oh. Oh, baby, am I crazy? Definitely nobody's ever played this one. Often I am upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of it. Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when I'm ready I will fly us out of here. This song's super underrated and nobody's ever played this one before. This song brings on the weather, teardrops upon my sweater. I cry in bed whenever I see you guys together. Screw love, it's all a lie. I can't sleep, I'd rather die than see that look in your eye. It sucks that I'm not your guy, but I think you're really cool, like I think you're really cool, like yeah, I think you're really cool, like I think you're really cool, like. Most definitely, nobody has played this one. Extremely underrated. Sorry, please excuse me for my mess. My heart's been pouring through my chest. I fell through corridors and broken floors. I'm sorry that I left. Fell asleep in my new bed. I can't feel happy in my head. I see two moons and nothing more. I close my door, I'm left with less. I bet nobody's even heard of this super rare one. Toby tells me lies when I'm sleep deprived. Toby says I'm the worst of my kind. The voice that trails behind leaves me petrified, thinking I won't live to see 25. They tell me I should go. They say I am a psycho. Are those even the words? I can't see anything. Definitely nobody's heard this one because it's mine. I don't know if this video is being sarcastic or literal at this point. I've lost track, so. A creature with two heads, sleeping in two beds. Is it sweet or is it dead? The creature with two heads. Never know which head you'll get from a creature with two heads. A creature with two heads. Why are you laying on the floor? All right, you've definitely not even thought about playing this one ever before. Is that sarcastic or not? I don't know. Can't you look at me? Am I that hideous to you? Can't you talk to me, or do I really mean nothing to you? turn away, forget everything, turn away, forget everything. Here's the high part, ready? Does it seem too hard? Does it seem unright to keep in touch? When was the last time we spoke at all? Now tell me, baby. How do I, why are you standing like that? If you haven't heard that last one, whew, you probably haven't heard this one either. The present is so unsatisfying. I wish I was materialistic, excited for the future unfolding. Thank God I'm not realistic. Heels overhead in the bedroom, smells so good, don't need perfume. I'm the tulip, you're the spring bloom. I'd be a fool not to love you. Adventure time, come on, grab your friends, we'll go to very distant lands. Jake the dog and Finn the human, the fun will never end, it's adventure time! I should take my socks off. I'm on the floor. Somebody asked me if I have another song coming out soon. I have a couple, but I don't know which one I should post first for you guys. So I have one called Jupiter and Mars, and it goes like this. Let me be the Jupiter to your Mars. Or I have another one that I don't have the name of, but I've sang on TikTok a few times, which follow me on TikTok, guys. We're trying to get to 1,000 so we can do live streams, but it goes like this. Do you remember when I said your name? To my surprise, you felt the same. And then I have another one that I gotta finish the lyrics for, but it sounds like this. So one of the other two. Anyway. Yeah. A creature with two heads, sleeping into beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?